And are you being presently treated for that?
No, I'm been okay since I left my husband, actually.
All right. Did you get a copy of the information that was filed in this case?
That is one thing, Your Honor, that I did not have to provide to her. I'm sorry.
Who's got the
Thank you.
form? Do you have a form? Plea form?
This is that one count. Your Honor, on the 20th of May
Does he have a
26,
waiver?
you did knowingly possess or use cocaine in an
Lauren,
amount
yeah.
not exceeding 5 grams. That is
I
a
have a
felony.
full package of the Judge.
Okay,
Okay.
that is what you are charged with.
Okay. Now do I get a copy of that?
We can arrange for that.
Okay. Please.
Here, give that to Jim. Okay. Do you have any question about the charge?
No, Your Honor.
You understand you have the right to have your case presented to the grand jury for them to decide whether or not to indict you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you discuss that right with your attorney?
I did.
And are you going to waive that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Prior to the hearing, I did review the waiver of indictment with Ms. Forgas. She indicated that she understood it and that she intended to sign it.
Jim, grab this too, because she's going to need to fill that out, if not for today, if you get something arranged, okay? You do one? Okay.
Your Honor, I witnessed the defendant and her counsel sign the waiver of indictment. I sent that as well, and I'm returning it to the court.
All right, I'll accept the waiver of indictment. Now, before I accept your guilty plea, I need to determine that you know and understand the constitutional rights you'll be waiving, the consequences of your guilty plea, and the maximum penalty I could give you. And I need to be satisfied that your guilty plea is being made freely, knowingly, and voluntarily. I'm going to ask you questions. If you don't understand a question, let me know. If you want to talk some more to Mr. Matthews, let me know that, and I'll give you more time. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have a constitutional right to have a trial, either to me or to a jury of 12 Lake County citizens. Do you understand that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes. Your
If you go to a jury trial, all 12 members of the jury must agree to a guilty verdict before you can be found guilty. Do you understand that right?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
If you go to trial, the prosecutor will call witnesses to testify against you. Do you understand the prosecutor must prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
After the witnesses are done testifying for the prosecutor, you have the constitutional right to have your lawyer cross-examine the witnesses. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
If you go to trial, you have the right to have witnesses come here and testify for you. Do you understand that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving that right?
Yep. Yes,
If
sir.
if those witnesses refuse to come to court, I'll issue an order called a subpoena to make them come here and testify. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to testify at trial if you want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yep. Yes, sir.
You have the constitutional right to not testify at trial if you do not want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you decide not to testify at trial, nobody is permitted to comment on that decision. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you go to trial and you're found guilty, you have the right to appeal a guilty finding. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
If you file an appeal, you have the constitutional right to have a lawyer represent you in the appeal. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
If you could not afford to hire a lawyer, one would be provided at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you file an appeal, you're entitled to be given a transcript of all the hearings in this case. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
If you could not afford a copy of the transcripts, they'd be given to you at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty today, you will not have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about any of these rights?
No, sir.
Do you still want to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes, please.
Do you understand by pleading guilty, you're fully admitting your guilt to the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by pleading guilty to this felony, you're voluntarily giving up your freedom for whatever period of time I could sentence you to prison, to jail, or to community control.
Yes, Your Honor.
Possession of cocaine is a felony 5. It carries a 12-month maximum prison sentence and a $2,500 maximum fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on post-release control presently?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand your guilty plea may result in a driver's license suspension of between 6 months and 5 years?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand your felony conviction will prevent you from owning or possessing a firearm?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand if a prison term is imposed in this case, you might have to serve a period of post-release control as part of your sentence for up to 2 years under the parole authority?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you are placed on post-release control and violate any conditions, the parole authority could send you back to prison for up to 9 months for each violation, up to 1/2 of my sentence. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If that violation is a new felony, then you could get an additional consecutive prison sentence for the violation. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And if that were to occur, the maximum prison sentence for the violation would be the greater of 12 months or the time left under post-release control. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if a prison term is imposed, you are eligible for judicial release?
Yes, Your Honor.
I could place you on community control for up to 5 years, but if you violate any conditions, I could send you to prison for 12 months. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you I would be lenient on you just because you're pleading guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you what I will sentence you to in this case?
No.
Do you understand I do not have to follow the sentencing recommendation of either the prosecutor or your lawyer?
Thank you.
Have you had enough time to talk with Mr. Matthews before pleading guilty today?
I have.
Has he discussed everything about your case and answered all of your questions?
He has.
Are you satisfied with the advice he has given you?
I am.
Have you been threatened or coerced in any way to plead guilty today?
No, sir.
Are you freely, knowingly, and voluntarily entering your guilty plea?
I am.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Tuttle, if the case went to trial, what would the evidence show?
Thank you, Your Honor. Had this case proceeded to trial, the evidence would have shown that on May 20th of 2026, Lake County Sheriff's deputies responded to the report of a suspicious person walking on Route 44 in Paynesville Township, Lake County, Ohio. This individual was identified as the defendant. She had an active misdemeanor warrant. She told the police that there was cocaine inside of her purse. That cocaine was located and sent to the Lake County Crime Lab and tested positive for cocaine in the amount of 1.07 grams. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Matthews. Anything to add?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Forgas, did you hear what Ms. Tuttle said that the facts would show if the case went to trial?
Those are the facts.
That those facts are true?
Absolutely.
What is your plea to possession of cocaine, a felony 5?
Guilty.
Mr. Matthews?
Thank you, Your Honor. Prior to the hearing, I did review the written plea of guilty with Ms. Forgas. She indicated that she understood it and that she intended to sign it. 624 on that line.
Your Honor, I witnessed the defendant and Mr. Matthews sign guilty. I signed that as well, and I'm returning it to the court.
Ms. Forgas, is this your signature on the written plea of guilty?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign it voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to accept your written plea of guilty?
Yes, please.
And I'll accept the written plea of guilty. Defendant was present when Mr. Matthews advised of all of her rights when a knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver. She understands the nature of the charge, the consequence of her guilty plea, and the maximum penalty. Find it to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. Will accept the plea of guilty and find her guilty of possession of cocaine, a felony 5. I'll refer this for a pre-sentence report, updated pre-sentence, and an updated drug and alcohol. The sentencing will be July 29 at 10 a.m. I'm going to continue the bond. It's presently in effect. Mr. Matthews, if you have anything that you wish to modify that with regard to what we talked about earlier, then let me know. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Tuttle?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Matthews?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we're adjourned.